Today, we're going to talk about pedal removal. Hello everybody, Graeme here from Frontenac Cycle. I'm going to talk to you today about pedal removal. This is a super common question at the shop. Some pedals are just super stubborn, but more often than not, people just don't know how to take them off. First things first, you need the right tool. To remove most pedals, you'll either need a 15mm wrench or a 6 or an 8mm Allen key.
Yeah, that's all we need to know.
That's all we need to know there, okay. So here we have an example of a pedal that uses either a wrench or an Allen key on the backside. I'll show you the wrench first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to position the bike between my legs with the crank away from me. I'm going to hold the other side, put my wrench on, and push down. That's the easiest way to get good leverage. Having a wrench that is long will obviously give you more leverage and make things easier. So we've got the bike in between my legs with the crank arm away from me. This is the other side of the bike, reverse threads. We're going to use the Allen key just to show you the other way to do it. I like to keep my hand on the crank like that. It helps me prevent from slipping and slamming into the frame. And just going to pull up. Ta-da! All right, so that's the basics on getting your pedals off. Don't forget, left-hand side is reverse thread, so you're gonna pretend like you're tightening it in. And when you do have your pedals off, it never hurts. Give the threads a little clean on the pedal, give the crank a little clean, make sure you apply some new fresh grease. It's just gonna make your life a little bit easier in the future.
All right, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to hammer that like button and subscribe because we've got more coming to you. Thank you very much.